Melchomseil Gerard Gibson, born January 3, 1956, is an American actor and filmmaker. The recipient of multiple accolades, he is known for directing historical films as well for his action hero roles, particularly his breakout role as Max Rokitansky in the first 3 films of the post-apocalyptic series Mad Max 1979 to 1985, and as Martin Riggs in the buddy cop series Lethal Weapon 1987 to 1998. Born in Peekskill, New York, Gibson moved with his parents to Sydney, Australia, when he was 12 years old. He studied acting at the National Institute of Dramatic Art, where he starred opposite Judy Davis in a production of Romeo and Juliet. During the 1980s, he founded Icon Entertainment, a production company. Director Peter Weir cast him as one of the leads in the World War I drama Gallipoli 1981, which earned Gibson a Best Actor award from the Australian Film Institute. In 1995, Gibson produced, directed, and starred in the war film Braveheart, for which he won the Golden Globe Award for Best Director, the Academy Award for Best Director, and the Academy Award for Best Picture. He later directed and produced The Passion of the Christ 2004, a biblical drama that was both financially successful and highly controversial. He received further critical notice for directing the action-adventure film Apocalypto 2006, set in Mesoamerica during the early 16th century. His notable acting roles during this period were in Ransom 1996, Payback 1999, What Women Want 2000, The Patriot 2000, and Signs 2002. After several legal issues and controversial statements leaked to the public, Gibson's popularity in Hollywood declined, affecting his career. He subsequently starred in Edge of Darkness 2010 and Jodie Foster's The Beaver 2011. His directorial comeback after an absence of 10 years, Hacksaw Ridge 2016, won 2 Academy Awards. Melchomseil Gerard Gibson was born in Peekskill, New York, on January 3, 1956, into a family of Irish-American descent, as the 6th of 11 children and the 2nd son of Hutton Gibson, a writer, and Irish-born and Patricia. Gibson's first name is derived from A.C. Mel's Cathedral, situated in his mother's hometown of Longford. His second name, Colmcille, is also shared with an Irish saint. Gibson's paternal grandmother was opera contralto Eva Mylott, who was born in Australia to Irish parents, while his paternal grandfather, John Hutton Gibson, was a millionaire tobacco businessman from the southern United States. Because of his mother, Gibson retains dual Irish and American citizenship. He is also an Australian permanent resident. Relationships to Robin Denise Moore. Gibson met Robin Denise Moore in 1977, soon after filming Mad Max, in Adelaide, South Australia. At the time, Robin was a dental nurse and Mel was an unknown actor working for the South Australian Theatre Company. On June 7, 1980, Mel and Robin were married in a Catholic church in Forestville, New South Wales. They have one daughter, Hannah, and 6 sons, twins Edward and Christian, William, Louis, Milo, and Thomas, and 7 grandchildren as of 2024. After 26 years of marriage, Gibson and Robin separated on July 29, 2006. In a 2011 interview, Gibson stated that the separation began the day following his arrest for drunk driving in Malibu. Robin Gibson filed for divorce on April 13, 2009, citing irreconcilable differences. In a joint statement, the Gibsons declared, "Throughout our marriage and separation, we have always striven to maintain the privacy and integrity of our family and will continue to do so." The divorce filing followed the March 2009 release of photographs appearing to show him on a beach embracing his live-in girlfriend of 1 year, Russian songwriter and pianist Oksana Grigorieva. The Gibsons' divorce was finalized on December 23, 2011, and the settlement with his ex-wife was said to be the highest in Hollywood history at over $400 million. The couple reportedly did not have a prenuptial agreement. Because California is a community property state, Robin Gibson received half of everything her husband had earned during their marriage. Oksana Grigorieva. In a 2010 interview, Grigorieva stated that when she first began being wooed by Gibson, she was surprised and only accepted his advances after learning that the actor-director and his wife had been separated for more than 18 months. Grigorieva added, "He wrote me a lot of poetry. It was very beautiful, impressionistic, like an edgy, modern iambic pentameter. Mel has a really good grasp of language. He's fantastic with words." On April 28, 2009, Gibson made a red carpet appearance with Grigorieva. She had previously had a son with actor Timothy Dalton and gave birth to Gibson's daughter Lucia on October 30, 2009. By April 2010, Gibson and Grigorieva had split. Rosalind Ross. As of 2014, Gibson is in a relationship with former champion equestrian vaulter and writer Rosalind Ross. Ross gave birth to their son and Gibson's 9th child, Lars Gerard, on January 20, 2017, in Los Angeles. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.